Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we are exploring one of the most comforting and indulgent fusion desserts you can ever experience, the chocolate dumpling. At first glance, it may sound unusual, but once you understand it, it becomes clear why this dessert is gaining attention. It combines the soft, chewy texture of dumpling dough with the rich, melting sweetness of chocolate filling. The result is a warm, satisfying treat that feels both familiar and new at the same time. It carries the essence of traditional dumplings while introducing a modern twist that appeals to chocolate lovers everywhere. To fully appreciate chocolate dumplings, it helps to understand the idea of dumplings in general. Dumplings have existed for centuries across different cultures, especially in Asia, where they are a staple food. They can be savory or sweet, steamed, boiled, or fried, depending on the region and recipe. What makes dumplings special is their simplicity, a thin layer of dough wrapped around a filling. The chocolate dumpling takes this simple structure and transforms it into a dessert, replacing meat or vegetables with melted chocolate or ganache, creating a completely different experience while still respecting the traditional method. The dough used for chocolate dumplings is usually very simple, yet it plays a crucial role in the final result. It is commonly made from flour, water, and a small pinch of salt, sometimes with sugar or milk added to make it softer and slightly sweeter. The dough is kneaded until it becomes smooth and elastic, which ensures it can stretch without tearing when filled. After kneading, it is rested for a short time so the gluten can relax, making it easier to roll and shape. Once ready, it is divided into small portions and rolled into thin circles, forming the base for the dumpling structure. The filling is where chocolate dumplings truly shine. High-quality chocolate is melted slowly to preserve its smooth texture and rich flavor. Sometimes it is combined with butter, cream, or condensed milk to create a thicker, more stable ganache. This filling can be chilled slightly so it becomes firm enough to handle during assembly. The goal is to create a center that holds its shape during preparation but melts beautifully once heated. This contrast between structure and melt is what makes chocolate dumplings so enjoyable. When assembling the dumplings, each dough circle is carefully flattened and placed in the palm of the hand. A small spoonful of chocolate filling is placed in the center and the edges are gently folded together. The dumpling can be shaped in different ways, such as a half-moon, pouch, or pleated design. What matters most is sealing the edges tightly, because even a small opening can cause the chocolate to leak out during cooking. This step requires patience and attention, but it is also where the process becomes creative and enjoyable. Once assembled, chocolate dumplings can be cooked using different methods, each offering a unique result. Steaming is the most common method because it keeps the dough soft, moist, and delicate while gently warming the chocolate inside. Boiling is another option, producing a slightly chewier texture that feels more elastic. Frying, on the other hand, creates a crispy, golden exterior that contrasts beautifully with the soft, molten interior. Each method changes the experience slightly, allowing people to choose based on their preference. As the dumplings cook, something special happens inside that cannot be seen from the outside. The chocolate filling slowly melts, transforming from a firm center into a warm, flowing liquid. This hidden transformation is part of what makes eating chocolate dumplings so exciting. You never fully see what is happening inside until you take the first bite. That moment of discovery, when the chocolate begins to flow, is what makes this dessert memorable and satisfying. The aroma during cooking adds another layer to the experience. The kitchen fills with the gentle scent of warm dough combined with rich cocoa. It is not overpowering, but it is comforting and inviting. This aroma builds anticipation, making the waiting time feel shorter and more enjoyable. Even before tasting, the smell alone gives a sense of warmth and sweetness that prepares the senses for what is coming. Chocolate dumplings can be served in many different ways depending on creativity and preference. A simple dusting of powdered sugar can highlight their delicate appearance. A drizzle of melted chocolate sauce can enhance their richness. Some people prefer pairing them with vanilla ice cream, which slowly melts over the warm dumplings, creating a mix of hot and cold textures. Others add fruits like strawberries or bananas for a fresh contrast, or nuts for added crunch. These small additions can completely change the dessert experience. Chocolate dumplings offer a perfect balance of texture and flavor, from the soft outer layer to the rich flowing chocolate center. The process shows how traditional dumpling techniques can evolve into a modern dessert experience. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.